Today we're going to talk about figurative language. Well, what is figurative language? It says that figurative language is when writers use words in a creative way, not just their exact meaning, and it can help readers imagine pictures in their mind, feel emotions, and makes the writing more interesting. So why do we use figurative language? Well, it can create imagery, add emotional impact, provide new perspectives, and it can make writing more engaging. Here's a list of the figurative languages we're going to cover today. Similes. Similes are comparison between two unlike things using like or as. Here's an example. The runner was as fast as a cheetah. That's comparing two unlike things using like or as. Metaphors. Those are a direct comparison between two unlike things without using like or as. An example of that could be, he is a lion in battle. Personification, giving human characteristics to a non-human thing. An example is, the star danced in the night sky. Alliteration. That's when you repeat the consonant sound at the beginning of a series of words, like a big blue bird bit a big black beetle. You hear the b sound all throughout that sentence. Hyperbole. That's an extreme exaggeration. It could be, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. You're not actually going to eat a horse, but you're exaggerating that you are very hungry. Symbolism. That's the use of objects, people, or ideas to represent something else. Symbolism could be a dove representing peace. Irony. That's a contrast between what is stated and what is really meant, or between what is expected to happen and what actually happens. So an example is a fire station burning down. Well, that's very ironic because what do fire stations do? They put fires out. Now, in the classroom, I would use songs. My kids could pick a song showing all kinds of figurative language. Here are top 5 misconceptions that I thought would be good to talk about. Misconception 1, figurative language is not true. Well, the truth is, it shows truth in a creative way. The second misconception, it only shows up in poetry. Well, it's actually everywhere. Songs, stories, ads, speeches. Similes and metaphors are the same. Well, that's not true. Similes use like or as, and metaphors use is or are. Personification is only actions. Well, we know that it can give feelings, thoughts, or traits too, so that's not true. Idioms are the same as metaphors. Well, the truth is, idioms are special phrases you can't take literally. Another thing I could do in my classroom is figurative language four corners. I could put 4 figurative languages in each corner of my classroom, and I could read a sentence, and the students would go to the corner that they think it matches. So I could say, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse, and they would decide what figurative language that is.